If after you finish setting up your thermostat and your floor heat still isn't turning on, some things to remember are, especially with a tile floor, it's going to take at least 15 minutes for you to feel any heat once it's on. But also, you need to check to see that your breaker's actually turned on, and that you're getting power. The other thing you'll want to look at is to make sure that all of your wire terminals are snug, including the temperature sensor. And then as well as check to see if your GFI is tripped, which you can reset by hitting the test and reset button, which should clear any errors in the thermostat itself. If at this point you're still not getting your floor to heat, please reach out to us through our service line and we can talk you through some more in-depth troubleshooting.